Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 68 registered Mercedes Vito 114. Now this is the long wheelbase van with twin side loading doors. Nicely kitted out with the roof rack, it's got the tow pack, it's fully ply lined and it's done just over 48,000 miles. Now this 68 registered vehicle is the new shape, so it's got the new front end on it, facelift vehicle, and it's in super condition. Panels are all in great order, interiors in wonderful condition, not your average DIY van. So let's take a look around it. So we've got 68 registered, we've got the polar white paintwork which is in very nice order. Sat on the steel Mercedes-Benz wheels, long wheelbase so you can fit your extra bits of, for example, your plasterboard, etc. You don't need to worry about that. Vehicle that comes with the roof rack and the tow bar as said, but when you take a look down the panels, they're in lovely order. Paintwork is lovely and glossed, it has a full machine polish by ourselves in our detailing area, so the vehicle on the panel work is in nice condition. The tow bar's there, it's got a single electric socket and the weights are all there, so you don't need to worry about that. They're about 600 quid. Then the roof rack itself is the slider, and it's a Vecta roof rack or Vecta bar roof rack, the hub system. Again, a couple of £100 there. So these are all nice features which it makes the vehicle cost you less because it's already got it fitted. You're not taking time out of your day to go then and get all the kit fitted for your working day. Lovely order, as you can see. One owner vehicle, it's got 2 keys with it. The interior is in great condition. Driver's seat, let's take a look, not worn or anything, not damaged, not full of sealer, paint, brick, cement. The same can be said about the passenger seats as well. They're in lovely order, no cigarette burns or anything like that. Electric pack on a Mercedes, which is always nice. Electric windows, central locking. As I jump in, we've got 48,739 miles as a starter up. 48,739 miles as a starter up. Needs a bit of air in one of the tyres. It's got TPS monitor, just show you that. Put the windows up. Reserve fuel. You get the onboard computer on one of these as well, which is nice. 48,739. Coming across we get the standard Bluetooth radio, so you can Bluetooth your phone to it. Navigation, you can put the little card in there and it'll work if you want sat nav on it. System, no air conditioning, just a standard air. Traction control, automatic stop start. We've got a 6-speed manual box. Drove quite a lot of them. They're capable well into the late 40s, early 50s on the motorway. MPG wise, they're a wonderful van. 70 miles an hour, you'll see well into the late 40s. Having drove one myself on numerous occasions. Cruise is ideal on a van like this. You just sit there and enjoy the ride. But a wonderful van. I don't smoke, and I can tell that it wasn't a smoker in here. The roof lining is all in lovely light grey interior. You've got a steel factory bulkhead, which is all in wonderful condition. A very above average van this. Anybody buys this, you'll be over the moon with it. Cabin is as clean as I've seen in a good while, and only 48,739 miles. So really nice mileage. Seen these vans with like 200,000 miles on at this age, and they're capable of high mileage. Okay, so in the rear of this vehicle we do have 2 side loading doors. That's what's unique about these. As you can see there now, it's fully ply lined on the back doors as well. We've got an anti-slip floor, we've got the steel factory bulkhead, we've got lights in there. Not seen any real heavy work in here. There's no, like I say, flag dust or anything under there. Plastics are all in nice order on the steps. As I say, the doors and the panels are all in wonderful condition. Probably a very good workman, this guy, because if his van is as clean as what he does, then look at that, you'd be happily employing this dude anytime. So yeah, lovely vehicle, lovely order throughout. Tow pack, bumpers all in nice order, trims are all in lovely order, jacks there as well. What more can I say? And then let's open this door. Here we go. All nice doors, are all nice runners. Again, lovely order. I don't think anybody will be unhappy with this. Twin side loaders, to me, it's the future. Why has every van not got twin side loading doors? They only normally have them on the passenger side in the UK, don't they? But look at that, long wheelbase, roof rack, tow bar, ply lined, ready to go to work. Lovely price as well, this. Lovely price indeed. Now, if you want to reserve the van, give me a call. I'm Graham, we've got Lee and Don. We'll take a £250 deposit. That will then prepare the van for you. It'll take it offline, get it prepared, so you only need to come to Wigan once, inspect it, test drive it, and then pay for it and drive it home. Put your letters on the side and make it go and earn you some money. Simple. If you've got a van to Partex, give us a call. We'll give you a price on that. If you've got a car to Partex, give us a call. If you're not VAT registered, we can do the VAT in the finance. So if you're a tradesman, self-employed, not VAT registered, I can do the VAT included in your monthly payment, so you're not having to put that down as a deposit. If you're a limited company, we can do it as well as your VAT as deposit, or you can finance lease it. So give us a call. We've got ample and many various financial options for you. I can give them all to you, and you can make your decision which one you want to go, and we can look after you through it. All our vans are serviced, they're all guaranteed, they're all MOT'd, they're all highly presented. So thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.